What's going on, guys? Let's take a technical analysis look on the SPY. So making a nice little run up into the close here, up about $1.97, currently trading at 414.32. One thing that I do want to notice, we've been on a 5-6 day decline here ever since, kind of tagging this 200-day moving average to a T. We tagged the 200-day moving average, consolidated sideways for 2 days and had 3 downwards action days, but we pulled right into this 100 EMA. So as of now, this is creating a floor. If I kind of just, draw out a little, and let me get my drawing tool here, but if I kind of just draw out, okay, 1 second here. If I kind of just draw out this little head and shoulders pattern that is forming, if we look at this as the left shoulder, head, what we need here is a little bit of a bounce to kind of round out this right shoulder. Now, there was a lot of options bets coming through for 419 calls that are going to expire on Friday. So if we can get some sort of push and sort of reclaim this 20-day moving average here, you can see a potential bounce into this 417 to 420 zone. Again, keep in mind that 418 is the 5-day moving average. So we could get some sort of bounce into 418 range here, trickle around sideways for 1-2 days before we start to roll over. Again, if we do start to lose this neckline here, which this neckline is going to be around $407, then this is going to be your macro trade for a hold swing on short positions. So anything below SPY on 407, we would hold that into the next area of demand of 402, and below 402, 398. Again, if this plays out the way that I'm thinking it's going to play out, we could be looking at 1 to 2 days worth of bounce, maybe 1 to 3 days worth of consolidation before we do roll over. So if you are looking to play the bounce on this, this is going to be your hard stop loss here, is around a 411. Now, if you want to tighten that up just a little bit, you're going to obviously use a smaller time frame here. I would give, 412.50. Let's use the 20-day moving average on the 1-hour time frame. If we do breach and lose that on a 1-hour candle's close, then we would just get out of the trade. But as long as we are trading over the 20 SMA on a 1-hour time frame, we are going to continue to hold this trade long. Currently, I am in a few swing positions to the long side here. I will be first trying to target 416 to 417 on the SPY. That's the price target I'm looking to target. Anything below 412, I'm going to want to get out of that trade. But again, just kind of wanted to show you guys how this is mapping out here. And if you kind of look at the weekly time frame, and let me blow this up, you can see we came down and tagged the 20 SMA. So this is going to be a very, very strong level of support. We do have some price action that was met here last time. I would expect this area to hold. Now, if this 410, 411 area loses, this is where you're going to want to go risk onto the short side. So anything below that 411 close, below the weekly 20-day moving average, we're going to try to be targeting the 404 to 407 range. That's where we're going to want to swing puts to the short side. Again, if we do reclaim to the top side here, SPY is going to need to get over that 418, 419. But if we are just looking at a dead cat bounce here, if we're just looking at a dead cat bounce to round the week off here and kind of form that daily head and shoulders, which you can kind of see here. And again, I will mark this out again, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. What we would be looking at is a dead cat bounce, a little bit of a relief rally off of this extended selling into this zone here. So we would be looking for something like this, sort of a bounce into this zone, maybe a back test, a reattempt, and once we fail on that second attempt, I would look for that continued roll. Now again, if this area here does not hold right for a continued bounce, then I would be thinking macro short anything below this zone here to play it back down to the downside. Be thinking somewhere around 398, 397 50-day moving average. Again, hope you guys understand what I'm talking about. If you guys would like to get more information and want to trade with me each and every single day live, make sure you guys join my Discord, become a member, and I'll see you guys all on the next video.